The Overhead American Kettlebell Swing is a variation of the kettlebell swing where you swing the kettlebell overhead. Although I usually prefer the traditional kettlebell swing to chest level, if you have healthy shoulder mobility, you can swap in this overhead swing when you only have access to a light kettlebell. To get started, place a light kettlebell on the floor approximately 1 foot in front of your body. Take a slightly wider than hip width stance, then bend forward with your knees slightly bent to grip the kettlebell by the handle with both hands. Keep your back flat, hike the kettlebell behind you, then thrust your hips forward, straighten your knees, and squeeze your glutes hard as the kettlebell swings up and forward with your arms extended and elbows soft. The power to move the kettlebell overhead is generated through the hips, with the shoulders just guiding the kettlebell during the swing. Keep your core strong to prevent your back from arching as the kettlebell comes overhead. Reverse the movement by pushing your hips back while maintaining a flat back as the kettlebell swings safely between your legs. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.